All right, so today I'm going to be doing a test with my Eureka Airspeed Pet Rewind Pet, that's what it is. So we're going to be trying to clean the bath mats, but I hope it does a good job, but I highly doubt it. Well, I mean, it does a great job on the carpet. I just vacuumed the carpet in there. Oh, y'all can see. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so these are pretty thick, so we're going to put it in the highest position. At the switch in the height in the highest position. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, that was a fail. I'm not happy about that. So move that back. So let's try cleaning a longer mat. Yes. And we're going to, let's put the cord, I forgot to put the cord in the cord hook. Makes it easier. And here we go. All right, let's try doing that. Okay, that does a lot better. Move it back over here. All right, now let's try this one. And we're going to, all right, now we're gonna try this one. Move it out into the center. There goes our furnace. All right, and now let's turn another light on. It's the fan. Oh. Okay, so here we go. Whoa. Another fail. Oh. All right, maybe we should try her again. Okay, that did a little better. Not as much. So anyways, that does it for this video. Comment, subscribe for more.